G.I.A. Automotive. Welcome back to the channel. 2016 Ford Transit 250 series. Today I'm gonna be talking about your sliding door on your Transit. If you're having issues with your with the door hanging, jamming up when you're trying to open it, and also the message on the dashboard saying that your rear left door is open, and that is the same message for the side door. And if you're looking at that on your dashboard, it could be the side door. Everybody's problems are different, but it's still the same general notification on the dashboard where it says rear left door open, and then you'll see like a red exclamation square with an exclamation in the middle of it. So before this door, you pulled on the handle, and after you pulled it, it would just stay in one spot, and then you have to reach in over here behind and pull it away from the van, and then the door would slide out. So I'm gonna show you what I did now. It's gonna open up with one hand with minimal effort versus tugging and pulling and using two hands. One hand action, there you go. One hand action, the way it's supposed to be. And then when you close it, it still jams up, but I'm gonna show you what I did here. It's caliper grease, synthetic. This is the hole here. This door is hanging. Seems to be hanging, so I'm gonna grease up this right here. Then this is your switch for that notification where you get a constant beeping when you accelerate or you hit the brake too hard. You'll get a notification on there. So what I did was came here and I added extra layers to like a real thick double-sided tape, and I put like three layers on top. And if you look at your sliding door, you'll see a circle, a sticker from Ford. They put that sticker on there first. Just use that as a guide to just put something over it, and that'll press down on your sensor, on your switch for the door there. So that will hopefully take care of your problem. That took care of mine. So now that grease there, one-handed the whole time. Yeah, because if you look here, there's a little indentation here where someone's been pushing hard on here, or pulling hard, and that caused that indentation there. So now you can add grease all along the tracks here. There's that another little bearing that runs on the track, and there'll be one more on the top up there. You see that white stuff there? That's lithium grease. Comes in a can, and that's another thing you can use. But I always grease up door latches, and anywhere you leave, make sure these are clean. You don't ever grease these up. These are supposed to make contact with these metal pads here. These metal prongs join these metal plates here to send a signal to the computer that it's closed, that everything's good to go. And yeah, that's